Greet, meaning to give a polite word or sign of welcome or recognition to someone on meeting. Synonyms: welcome, salute, acknowledge. Sentence: she smiled warmly as she greeted her old friend. Performance, meaning an act of staging or presenting a play, concert, or other form of entertainment. Synonyms: show, presentation, act. Sentence: the performance of the lead actor was outstanding and received a standing ovation. Framework, meaning a basic structure underlying a system, concept, or text. Synonyms: structure, skeleton, foundation. Sentence: the new policy provides a framework for improving public health. Conservation, meaning the action of conserving something, in particular the environment or cultural heritage. Synonyms: preservation, protection, maintenance. Sentence: conservation efforts have helped save the endangered species. Resolution, meaning a firm decision to do or not to do something. Synonyms: decision, determination, resolve. Sentence: her New Year's resolution is to read more books. Happiness, meaning the state of being happy. Synonyms: joy, pleasure, contentment. Sentence: happiness is often found in the simple things in life. Inhabitant, meaning a person or animal that lives in or occupies a place. Synonyms: resident, dweller, occupant. Sentence: the inhabitants of the island were friendly and welcoming. Van, meaning a medium-sized motor vehicle with a boxy shape, typically used for transporting goods or people. Synonyms: minibus, vehicle, transport. Sentence: they rented a van to move their furniture to the new house. Present, meaning existing or occurring now. Synonyms: current, existing, now. Sentence: at the present moment, we are focusing on completing the project. Strengthen, meaning to make or become stronger. Synonyms: fortify, reinforce, enhance. Sentence: regular exercise can strengthen your muscles and improve overall health. Presence: meaning the state or fact of existing, occurring, or being present. Synonyms: attendance, existence, being. Sentence: her presence at the meeting was greatly appreciated. Plea: meaning a request made in an urgent and emotional manner. Synonyms: appeal, request, petition. Sentence: he made a heartfelt plea for donations to help the victims of the disaster. Second: meaning an interval of time equal to 1/60th of a minute. Synonyms: moment, instant, bit. Sentence: just wait a second, I'll be right with you. Reportedly: meaning according to what some say, used to express the speaker's belief that the information is not necessarily true. Synonyms: allegedly, supposedly, apparently. Sentence: the movie is reportedly based on true events. Dominate: meaning to have a commanding influence on, exercise control over. Synonyms: control, rule, govern. Sentence: the company continues to dominate the tech industry. Surface: meaning the outside part or uppermost layer of something. Synonyms: exterior, top, face. Sentence: the surface of the lake was calm and mirror-like. Penalty: meaning a punishment imposed for breaking a law, rule, or contract. Synonyms: punishment, sanction, fine. Sentence: he had to pay a penalty for speeding. Bend: meaning to shape or force something straight into a curve or angle. Synonyms: curve, flex, twist. Sentence: she had to bend the wire to fit it into the frame. Proposal: meaning a plan or suggestion, especially a formal or written one, put forward for consideration or discussion by others. Synonyms: suggestion, plan, proposition. Sentence: the proposal for the new park was well received by the community. Ideology: Meaning: a system of ideas and ideals, especially one that forms the basis of economic or political theory and policy. Synonyms: beliefs, principles, doctrine. Sentence: their political ideology is centered around social equality and justice. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.